So FYI, Reagan, I am not giving you no answers to your problems, okay? So I'm going to give you a different conversion, and you can figure out how to do it. So for this one, for every 0.6 of an inch, you're going to have 10 feet. Or if your building's 10 feet, it would equal 0.6 of an inch. So here's our building. It's 650 feet tall, and it's 20 feet long and wide. And we need to figure out, after the conversion, how tall and wide our building is going to be. So the first step, which is going to be the easiest way to do this problem, is to turn this 0.6 of an inch into a full inch. So to do that, you're going to go 0.6 of an inch over the 10 feet. Because for every 0.6 of an inch, there's 10 feet. And then we want this to go into a 1 inch. And for every 1 inch, we don't know how many feet that is. So in order to solve this, you're going to have to go 10 times 1, because we're cross multiplying, which equals 10. And then we don't know what this is, so we can't cross multiply those. So instead of multiplying, we have to divide. So we're going to bring the 0.6 down here, and it's going to be 10 divided by 0.6. And that's going to be 16.67 rounded to the nearest hundredth. So now we know this is going to be our new conversion. Oop. So for every, we're going to use this conversion. For every 1 inch, there's 16.7 feet. Which means that now we're going to take, which means that we have our conversion that's going to be the easiest right here. And we're going to use that in this next part. So 1 inch over 16.7 feet. And we have our first thing. We're going to convert this number first, the 650. So we're going to go down here. And 650 is a feet, so we have to put feet on the bottom because the feet is on the bottom right here. So 650 feet is equal to how many inches? Remember, these units have to be the same. Inches always has to be on the top together, and feet always has to be on top together. They have to be in the same exact row. So now, to solve this one, we're going to go 650 times 1, which would equal 650 feet. And then you're going to divide it by 16.7. So 650 divided by 16.7 equals 38.9 feet. So that is our height, 38.9 feet. And then now we just need to find what these two are. So you're just going to do that same one. So 1 inch over 16.7 feet times mystery amount of inches over 20 feet. And then you're going to do the same process. You're going to multiply these, and those would be 20 feet over 16, because we can't multiply 16 by a mystery number. So the 16.7 remains down here on the bottom. And 20 divided by 16.7 that would equal 1.198 feet. So this building is going to be 38.9, and rounded would be 1.2. So now we have the coordinates of our building.